How to make money with Shopee affiliate program. Hi guys, want to know how to turn your passion for online shopping into a steady stream of income? You are in the right place. Today I'm going to share everything you need to know about Shopee affiliate program. Stick around because this could be your next big opportunity to earn money online. The Shopee affiliate program is a fantastic way for anyone to earn commissions by promoting products on Shopee. Whether you are a blogger, a social media influencer, or just someone who loves sharing great deals with friends and family. This program offers you a chance to make money with minimal effort and no upfront costs. Before we dive deeper, let me explain what affiliate marketing is. It's a type of performance-based marketing where you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique referral link. Basically, you promote products, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid. It's a win-win situation. Here's how the Shopee affiliate program works. First, we have sign up. Head over to the Shopee affiliate website and sign up. It's a quick and easy process. Then we have choose products. Once you're approved, you can browse through Shopee's extensive range of products and select the ones you want to promote. You can choose items that you use and love or those that are trending. Then we have share links, generate your unique affiliate links for these products and share them on your blog, social media, or any platform where you have an audience. Finally, we have earn commissions. Whenever someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. The more you promote, the more you earn. Before explaining a deeper steps how to sign up and start earning money on Shopee, let's know some benefits of joining the Shopee affiliate program. So why should you join the Shopee affiliate program? Here are some amazing benefits. First, we have no upfront investment. You don't need to spend any money to start. It's completely free to join. Then we have wide range of products with millions of products available. You have endless options to promote. Then we have flexible and convenient. You can work from anywhere and at any time. Whether you are students, a stay-at-home parent, or a full-time worker, you can fit this into your schedule. Finally, we have high earning potential. The more the more you promote, the higher your earnings. Some affiliates makes a significant income just by sharing links. So the first step to becoming a Shopee affiliate is signing up for the program. Here's how you can do it. First, you have to visit Shopee affiliate program. As you can see, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into Shopee affiliate program. So click over here. As you can see, here is affiliate program. We have here some information on commissions when you partner with Shopee, login. Then you click over here to start. So if you have an account, all you have to do is log in. You put your phone number, your username, or your email. Then you put your password. But if you want to sign up, all you have to do is scroll down and click over sign up. You write your phone number. You can also use Facebook and Google to sign up and fill out the registration form with your personal details such as your name, email address, and contact information. Agree to the terms and make sure. Then you have to agree to the terms and make sure to read and agree to Shopee's terms and conditions. After filling all the required information, submit your application or dive into the home page. All you have to do is dive into shopee.com and click over here. As you can see, and just scroll down. Here we have welcome to Shopee, your preferred online shopping platform. Shopee offers a seamless, fun, and reliable shopping experience to millions of users worldwide. Choose a country or region. Let's choose the country that you want. Choose, for example, Philippines. As you can see, this is the home page. If you want to log in, all you have to do is click over here and you write your email and password or your contact. If you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over here. We have your English. You can choose your your language. Here you have notification, help, and a lot of information. As you can see, here we have a lot of information. If you wanna know more, let's scroll in to the top. So all you have to do is navigate through the various products categories available on Shopee. You can use filters to narrow down your options based on popularity, price, or other criteria. Then choose the products that you want to promote. It's a good idea to pick items that align with your interests or niche to make your promotions more authentic and effective. Like here I'm looking about something. This choose like I'm athlete and I play basketball, so this choosing basketball precision. As you can see, here we have some choices. You can see now that you have chosen the products, it's time to create your affiliate links and start sharing them. Then in your Shopee affiliate dashboard, select the product you want to promote and generate a unique affiliate link for it. Then use this link to promote the product on your preferred platforms. You can include it in your blog posts, social media posts, YouTube video descriptions, email newsletters, and more. Then we have compelling content. Sorry, when sharing your links, create engaging and informative content that encourages your audience to click on the link and make a purchase. So here is an example of how to show affiliate links. First we have blog post by writing a detailed review of the products and include the affiliate link within the post. We have also Instagram story. Share a quick unboxing video on Instagram story with a swipe up link to the product. YouTube video we have using review video and included the affiliate link in the video description and mentioned it in the video. Here we have some tips for success. So to maximize your success with the Shop Affiliate program, here are a few tips. First, we have promote products you love. Focus on products that you are genuinely passionate about. So your enthusiasm will come draw and make your recommendation more convincing. Then we have social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok to reach a wider audience. Then we have create engaging content, whether it's a blog post, a video review, or an Instagram story. Make sure your content is engaging and informative. Show your audience why they need this product in their lives. Then we have optimized your links. Use tracking tools to monitor which links are performing best. This allows you to focus your efforts on the most effective strategies. So are you ready to start earning? Click the link below to sign up for the Shopee affiliate program and begin your journey to passive income today. Don't wait, get started now and see how easy it is to make money online. So this is for this video guys. I hope it has been useful, helpful, and see you again in the next video.